This is a flatfish. All right, swims on the bottom, so both its eyes are on the top of its head.
Okay.
All right, and it's only found in northern waters, like flounders and sole. And this is turbot cooked on the bone.
Okay.
All right. No idea what I'm doing. First time ever. So anything could happen. Common sense says clean it. Cut off the fins. You can cut off the tail. I could even close my eyes and chop the head off.
Okay.
But you say I don't need to do that.
And
Okay. So you're going to cope with it. It's a big fish. It's a kilogram of fish. So the idea is to do it simply and without a lot of fuss, and hope that it's edible at the end.
Okay. Let's find out my husband. My husband.
With trepidation. Okay. So very simple. Drop of white wine, drop of olive oil, salt, pepper,
Okay.
and hope it works. Fingers crossed all the way through.
Okay.
All right, and then we turn the oven on to 180, preheated, which we can do now.
Okay. 2.
180, and then when it's heated, and now we need something to strengthen the resolve. We need a drink of wine.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So, see you later, my fish. Here's my fish. It's cooked already. Then I need to put in the plate. Right.
Yeah, you need a big plate, don't you?
So, the fish cooked already. This looks yummy. Why you add wine?
It will give it sauce. As all the fish flavours are on the bottom of the pan now, and then a drop of wine. Look at that.
Okay. With a lemon, right?
Yeah, we can even could have cooked it with the lemon on it, but now we can put the lemon on. Okay, I'll get the lemon.
Then put on the plate now.
Yeah.
I think. What? No, it's okay, I did the lemon.
Yeah, that's what I'll do here.
Then I eat like that.
You just eat it like that.
I eat on the plate.
On the plate, on the bone.
Huh?
Yeah.
I eat on this.
You could eat it like that, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, except you would have to put something underneath because it's not. Okay, and then we dribble some.
Okay, that's it. Gotcha. Oh, it's yummy.
So, hot.
It's hot.